In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Drive on your computer. Google Drive is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to store files and access them anywhere, anytime. It's essential for anyone looking to keep their digital life organized and streamlined. So let's dive in and show you how to set it up. First, you'll need to open your internet browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. This can be accessed by typing drive.google.com into your web browser's address bar or simply searching for Google Drive and clicking on the link that comes up. Once there, you'll see the familiar Google Drive interface that many of us are already acquainted with. This area is where you'll manage and access your files. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, take a look at the top right corner of your browser screen. Here you'll see a few options, one of which is Install Google Drive. It's nestled conveniently next to the Bookmark This tab icon right next to your browser search bar. This step is crucial as it initiates the installation process that will allow your Google Drive to sync files directly to your computer. With that button located, go ahead and click on Install Google Drive. Upon clicking it, a small pop-up window will appear on your screen. This window serves to ensure that you're ready to proceed with installing the application. It's a straightforward step, but an important one. They want to make sure you didn't accidentally hit the button. Next, in the pop-up dialog, you'll see an option to click Install. Don't worry, this won't cause any drastic changes that might disrupt your current session or computer settings. Instead, it's just the final confirmation in the process to integrate the app into your systems. Click Install to confirm you're ready to go ahead. Once you click Install, the remaining process takes care of itself. The system will automatically install Google Drive on your computer. This means that you can now easily access your files directly from your desktop without needing to open a browser, making it incredibly convenient to open, edit, and save your documents with minimal fuss. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully installed Google Drive on your system. You'll now notice a new folder named Google Drive that's been added to your File Explorer or Finder if you're using a Mac. This folder serves as a bridge between your offline world and the cloud, instantly syncing any files you drag into it with your online Google Drive storage. It's seamless and efficient, making file management a whole lot easier. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to installing Google Drive on your computer. Now you can enjoy all the flexibility and security that Google Drive offers, knowing that your important documents are accessible wherever you are. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.